This tutorial shows you how to convert Fusion's Blockly and Python edge follow code into functions. This is the program we wrote in Blockly to teach Fusion how to follow the edge of a line. This is the Python program that Fusion converted from Blockly that was used to teach Fusion to follow the edge of a line. If you are not sure how these programs work, it would be a good idea to look back to the previous tutorial which explained how we obtained this Blockly and Python code. The function of this tutorial is to find out how to convert this edge follow code into a function. To do this, we go down to the menu to Functions and click on the top template. Change the Do Something to Edge Follow. Next, we want to move the code from the Blockly program into the function. To do this, we click on the If and just drag it across. This gives us a separate edge follow function. But how do we connect this with the main program? Go down to the Functions item in the menu and you will see we have a new template called Edge Follow. Click on Edge Follow and drag it into the Blockly program. You will now see in the main Blockly program, instead of all the code, we simply have the function heading Edge Follow. And the way the Blockly program works with it, it repeats while true, it then goes down to the Edge Follow function within the program and then diverts to the Edge Follow function code, which is in this case to the right of our screen. It then goes through all of the if then do else code down to the bottom. It then flips back to the main program and then repeats, go around, and in effect it will do exactly the same thing as we did before without the function, because we have just moved the code out into a separate function. So that's what happens with a Blockly program when we change it into a function. But what about the Python program that has been converted from Blockly? You'll notice we have a new heading called def. This is used at the start of every function, followed by the name of our function, edge follow. The Python code is the same as it was before, except it's indented by one indent. The Python function is then this piece of code, and when it is called, it does this code. But when is it called? Down below you'll see that we have a while true edge follow, which is now the main program. Thus in Python, we have the function declared before the main program, and this is the main program here. One of the nice things about Python is that when we're a bit more advanced, we can learn how to build up a library of our own functions. And so in future, if we want our robot to edge follow, we can just pull in one particular line of code like edge follow, and that will then bring in all the other code and we don't have to rewrite our function. Nice when we can get it. Thank you for watching.